What's up, world? So, I present to you the world's smallest Timpano amp. Yes, it's one channel, 2 ohms, 500 watts. Why would somebody buy this? Who would waste the time? Well, somebody looking for an amp with a small footprint. Maybe they want to, put an amp in a power motorsport, vehicle, like a ATV. This is not waterproof. I have not opened this before. It's still taped. So, don't scratch. Oh boy. Alright, come on. There she is. Very cool. Look at that. Made in Brazil. 500 watts RMS. Not peak. RMS. So this is probably 1,000 watts. And then 500 watts RMS. You got your remote and your power and ground all there. It looks like a 14 gauge cable could fit in there. There you go. Here's the bottom side. Nothing really to see there. You got your numbers, your warranty seal. Very cool. You got your high pass filter, your low pass filter, so you can go between 16 and 22 hertz, and 10, and 700 hertz for your high pass filter. So you want bass? You want a little of both? Is this channel only going to be for subs? And then we have our auto on and off. So that is for, right, if your input is for a car speaker, right? So that's going to plug in there. You have your 2 blue, 2 grays. That would be if you're pulling off of a left and right channel, similar to this. And that would auto on the amp. I'm not too sure if these will auto on, but the remote definitely will allow for that to happen on the flip side there.